Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make my quick recipe egg in the microwave recipe for Suhoor. So in here guys, I got yellow and red bell pepper and onions, and also I got my green coriander, and I got my crushed garlic, you know. So, and also I have my 4 eggs here, and I have my milk. This is a skim milk, guys. You guys see, it's a skim milk because your girl is on diet, on a weight loss, you know. And also I got my black pepper here, and I got my cumin. This is cumin. My salt is also here. Hi salt. Hi. And I got my olive oil. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's dive straight into this video. Let's make this quick and fast Suhoor food or meal. Yes, just keep watching. Yes, I think it's a recipe that everyone knows, but I'm just documenting, you know, my lifestyle that I'm trying to change. So I am my 4 eggs. You guys see how I put that eggs, and I had my colored peppers and onions and coriander. Just mix everything together, you know. So guys, I'm trying to change my lifestyle during this Ramadan. I don't know, I'm super excited today. I'm happy. Next thing I'm adding is black pepper, you know. So, and I'm adding cumin as well. Guys, I'm super excited today. I don't know, today is my weigh in. I'm going to weigh myself today, and your girl here is feeding herself, you know. I'm going to step on that scale today. I hope I'm not going to feel so disappointed. So I had my olive oil, and the next thing is my salt. You know, you see it guys, I'm in the mood today. The next thing I'm going to add is a little bit garlic, a little bit, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit, and then add my skim milk and mix everything together. And mixing this together, this guy is really and very ready to enter microwave. This is really so fast for Suhoor that you can have, you know. You can have it for Suhoor and you'll be okay the next morning, and the next morning when you woke up. So you see this guy's coming together. Hey, look at my hair, looking so yummy. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you watch, I don't know why you guys don't come back to watch my videos. Why? Do I do something wrong to you? Anyways, look at my recipe. Is it good? Is it nice? Just give it a try. You will like it for your Suhoor. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see what I weigh next. Okay, thank you. Bye. Salam.